What is this, huh? This is actually a little part that gonna go underneath here. This is a solar panel and it will be installed on the top of the pickup truck. Customer wanted me to go ahead and install it on the truck where the truck front is here, and so the wind will not destroy it even though it's closed. He's gonna close it back with these stands, so you can close it down, but he wanted me to have some kind of hinge right here that he can bring it up, open it up. But the problem with that is that what if he wasn't facing the sun? So he asked me what I can do. So I told him, hey, let me go ahead and cut a bracket with the pivoting point, and he can put a pin or something here. Then there'll be a center point right here, and I'm gonna cut one more bracket which is gonna go ahead and have a center bolt right there, and it's gonna pivot on the top of it so he can spin it and face the whole thing wherever he want to. I gave him few choices of holes where he can go ahead and stop his solar panel according to the sun. So hopefully this will work better. I just thought about it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is the one of the part, and I am going to go ahead and show the next part. Let me go ahead. Let's open up the new part, which is the other bracket. Let me go ahead and delete this one. Give it the function that it need to be cutting with. So that be plasma cutting again. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up where I want to cut it, and let me set it up. Here we go. Second part is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the coding and GC coding, and then we'll go ahead and open it in Command CNC. Please let me know in the comment if you guys want to see how to do all this. The drawing part is different than setting it up. So first you have to figure it out what you want to do, and then you draw it. So I'm gonna go ahead and on my CNC I'm gonna choose the place where I need to cut, and I'll go right at the end right here somewhere and zero the machine right there. I'm not gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna just drive one, which is disabling the torch right there where my cursor is, and then I'm gonna resume it and see what it does over there. So I think it's not gonna work out over there. I have to move it back. So that's how I find out where I need to be. So let me go ahead. What I'm trying to do here is walk you guys through this process. So I'm gonna move down a little bit, just to see if I can fit my part in, and torch is disabled, and I'm zeroing everything, and here we go, and press 1, resume, and hopefully we'll be on the area where we need to be. So perfect. So far so good. And I think yeah, I think I'm gonna make it. Here we go. Perfect. So I'm gonna now, I know that it's working, so enable the torch. Everything is zero already. Run the program. Here we go. So this be the bracket where I'm gonna go ahead and install the hinge, and this will sit right here matching with these holes, and when it'll pivot, it'll match these holes as it goes, and he can drop a pin right here to stop wherever he want to, and then he can bring it back to zero and close the whole thing. Right on the bottom right here, these two lips right here, I have to bend it down and drill a hole right there. I forgot to go ahead and do that in the drawing, but anyway, it's not too hard. I'm gonna have to drill a hole right there so he can install it on the top of his pickup truck. I'm gonna make another video when I'm done. I'll go ahead and share with you guys. Let me know how you like it.